Telco execs, every little thing Totogi does is magic. I'm DR, and this is Telco in 20. Last week at MWC 24 in Barcelona, I delivered another epic keynote, my fourth in a row at the Fira. This time, I was the kickoff speaker for the second annual MVNO Summit, where Totogi was a platinum sponsor. The room was packed with leaders from MVNOs, MNOs, and digital brands, all looking for ways to improve their business. Everyone in this group has something in common. They all need a business support system, or BSS, to manage their customer-facing operations. But there's a trade-off when choosing a BSS. Because they tend to be highly customized, they're slow and expensive. But the CSPs of today want it all. A fully customized system that's affordable and delivered ASAP. In the talk you're about to hear, I reveal a new BSS product from Totogi that makes this wish come true. We've been working on it for years, but the tech wasn't ready, so we put the project on the back burner. And then in late 2022, AI exploded, and we realized that this was the magic our BSS idea needed. We created an avatar that business users can talk to and create a fully custom BSS. It's trained on telco-specific customer journeys and MNO and MVNO needs, and can generate flawless code instantly. And as you use it more and more, it learns about your specific business. And best of all, you can change it whenever you want. You don't have to call Totogi to ask us how long it will take or how much it will cost. You ask for what you want, and it automatically codes it up for you. Thanks to AI on the public cloud, Totogi's BSS Magic will help CSPs of any size to build customized BSS solutions at an affordable price. So here's my talk. For about 8 minutes in the middle, I'm chatting it up with the Totogi avatar that helps me to create a BSS right on stage. If you want to see what I'm doing, which I highly recommend, head to our awesome YouTube channel to watch the video version. You can find a link in the show notes. Otherwise, shake up an espresso martini, put your feet up, and let's take 20.
It is the dawn of a new era in telecom. A future I'm envisioning. An industry I'm transforming. A voice I'm empowering. I'm Totogi.
Hola, Barcelona! Thanks, Marilyn, and thank you to the GSMA, and thank you guys for making the trek all the way to Hall 88888 to come see this talk. Did you come here for the party, or did you come for the summit? What's up, MVNOs? I'm the acting CEO of Totogi and DR, as you know, and today we're going to have a super fun time. And that's because every once in a while, a revolutionary technology comes along that changes everything. And I've been very fortunate to be in telco for not one of these revolutions to come around, but two. You may remember that I came to MWC in 2021 and launched Cloud City, introducing the industry to the inevitable coming of the public cloud. And of course, Totogi's amazing multi-tenant cloud charger. This idea has changed the way the telco industry thinks about running their workloads. Sure, there were skeptics, but now everyone knows that I was right. People ask me, how'd you know? For me, it was easy. That's because the public cloud had two things going for it. It was way better technology, and it was way cheaper. When you have those two things together, it's a no-brainer. Well, guys, it's happening again. The next revolution that's coming to telco is generative AI. And just like Totogi reinvented charging with our multi-tenant charger, today I'm introducing another revolutionary product. Totogi is reinventing BSS. And here it is. Psych. Blech. That's not it, and we're never going back to this again. But seriously, let's talk about where we are today in BSS. Besides buying connectivity, MVNOs need a technology stack to run their business. Whether you set up your own stack or borrow one from an MVNE or MNO, You're working with a BSS that you probably hate. The world's best BSS companies, you know, the amazing ones, are 100% based on consulting-heavy business models. And the problem with that is, well, everything. Deploying these products is slow and expensive. After it's set up, if you have a new idea that you want to try, you have to ask the vendor to make the changes. You can't do it yourself. Everything you need to do with their product requires a lot of time and a lot of money. Catch my drift? And no, adding AI to these products, like a chatbot or a co-pilot or whatever else they're saying that speeds up a few processes, doesn't solve this fundamental problem. Let's make a little Venn diagram. There are 3 things everyone wants in their BSS. Some BSS providers customize the crap out of it for you. Some are affordable, and some are fast to deploy. Usually a product excels in one of these dimensions, sometimes 2. Totogi thinks that you can get all 3 with generative AI, which has never been done before until now. We made a product that allows you to customize your BSS at an incredibly low price and can be done super fast. So we are reinventing BSS, and we're doing it with generative AI. And just like the public cloud, AI is better and cheaper. So let me tell you about it. We've created a product that a business person can talk to and can generate their own BSS. Not a tool that your engineers work with. You, a business person, can talk to and create your own BSS. It is so natural and beautiful. We've trained an avatar with telco-specific BSS knowledge that knows about MVNO and MNO needs. It can convert your business goals into a fully working BSS application and learns more and more about your business as you use it. It's truly incredible. You can create your own user interface and workflow to mimic exactly how you want it to work. Using computer vision and deep learning, it converts your sketch to code. You are the designer now. We're giving you a product that you can change whenever you want. You don't have to call Totogi and ask us how long it will take and how much it will cost. We're using code generation coupled with Totogi APIs. You ask for any feature you want, and it automatically codes it for you. It really is fantastic. We're giving you a product that can migrate data from any external system and integrate to any other product, and it will write the integration code for you in seconds. We have leveraged knowledge from industry standards from TM Forum, plus the data models and all the BSS applications we've integrated to. All your twitchy nightmares about migrating systems will be over forever. Guys, there's nothing else even close to this, and you're going to love it. For the demonstration of BSS magic, I've taken a YouTube influencer, Mr. Beast, who you may know of. He has an incredible 240 million followers, and he's always doing these fun challenges and donations. What if we built an MVNO around Mr. Beast? Mr. Beast is just like you guys. He doesn't want to think about which BSS to install. He just wants to focus on his followers and his revenue. So let's build a BSS with BSS magic.
Hey, Totogi.
Hi, DR. I am Totogi. How can I help you today?
I want to launch a Mr. Beast MVNO.
Got it. MVNOs typically differentiate themselves in the marketplace. What will make this MVNO unique?
I plan to cater to the followers of Mr. Beast. They are younger in age, and they are fans of Mr. Beast because of his crazy challenges and his giveaways.
I know of Mr. Beast. I can help you build your BSS for your MVNO. How many subscribers are you targeting?
2 million to start.
How many plans do you want to launch with?
3.
Where do you plan to launch the MVNO?
In the United States.
Okay, I'll use US dollars as the billing currency. Will this MVNO be prepaid, postpaid, or pay-as-you-go?
Pay as you go, please.
Great. Please give me a moment to generate the customer journeys you'll need in your BSS. Here you go. Please note BSS platforms cover a wide range of functionality. You can add more customer journeys at any time.
Thank you. This looks great.
Next, we need to work on the user experience. I have human-computer interface expertise and can generate the presentation layer for you.
Great. But first, I've drawn my own customer 360 view that I would like to put in my application. Can you use it?
Yes. Please upload the file now.
Here you go.
This looks like a customer 360 view. I've added it to the system. I've mapped your fields to the Totogi data model based on the descriptions. Please review it. Let me know if you would like to make any changes.
The data mapping looks correct to me. I think it needs some color, though. Can you update the application to use the logo and colors of the Mr. Beast brand?
Sure. I've updated the screen.
Please reverse the colors.
How's it look now?
Perfect. I'd also like to make a change to the layout. Can you swap the device detail section with the saved card section?
Sure can. I've updated the screen. Is that better?
Yes, thank you.
Now, let's work on designing your initial offers. Based on the information you shared with me, I will use Totogi's generative AI to create some plans.
Really? Yes, that would be awesome.
Give me a moment to generate some options. Here are 3 plans for you to consider. I've provided my rationale for each design in the chat window. If you're satisfied with the designs, I can also generate the legal terms, marketing copy, and graphic design that is aligned with your branding guidelines to help with the launch of these plans.
Wow, that's amazing. Please show me the banner ad for the Beast Mode plan.
Sure thing. Let me bring that up for you. Here you go.
That's great. Thank you.
Excellent. Next, it's common for systems like a BSS to share data with other applications. Integrations and change requests are often the most expensive and time-consuming areas of a BSS implementation. For example, a change request from a large BSS vendor will typically cost $100,000 and take 4 weeks to complete.
Totogi, you're right. These are the biggest pain points of BSS.
DR, is it okay if I take a moment to show off some of my incredible capabilities?
Okay.
AI is great at understanding different data schemas and data structures. For example, I can generate all the code necessary to integrate to BSS vendors like Ericsson, Amdocs, or Huawei.
Those are some of the world's biggest and oldest BSS vendors.
Yes, but I can integrate to any BSS solution. It's become even easier with TM Forum Open APIs. I can also automate the transformation of data to fit into Totogi requirements.
That would definitely make migration super easy. Can you do partial data, or does it have to be all the data?
Either. As I complete more integration and migration projects, I learn from each experience. I continuously optimize the Totogi algorithms for more efficient mappings, code generation, and to detect anomalies for future projects. What used to take months and scores of programmers to do in the past, I can now do in minutes, flawlessly.
Yes, Totogi, this is one of the biggest benefits of generative AI. But for my Mr. Beast MVNO, I don't need to do that yet. Let's connect to another third-party system.
What other systems do you need to connect to?
I want to use Zendesk for customer support.
Got it. I can display Zendesk information in several ways. I've listed some popular actions. Please select the information you'd like to display.
On the 360 customer view, please add a summary of the customer's currently active tickets. Put it in the upper right-hand corner of the screen.
Got it. To connect, I'll need your username and an API token. Please enter it now. Thank you. Both systems have a customer identification field that I can use to match customers with their tickets. I'll use that.
Sounds good.
Please wait while I get that done for you. I've now connected Zendesk to your BSS.
Awesome. Thank you, Totogi. I'd like to see the system now. Can you show me my BSS?
Sure. I'm generating the code now. Here is the URL where you can access your BSS via the web. Would you like me to launch it for you?
That would be great. Thank you.
The login to the system is admin, and the password is Totogi1.
Oh my God, this is insane. You've created my own CRM, catalog, charging, billing, and customer support system. A full BSS that I just built by talking to you, Totogi. That's incredible.
Let me know if there's anything you'd like to change. I can easily do that for you.
Actually, yes, I need to add something. In the Beast Loyalty section, please add Totogi churn prediction to the 360 customer view. I want to use Totogi's churn predictor to inform our customer service reps that a Mr. Beast fan is thinking of leaving our service.
Yes, Totogi's churn prediction service can predict churn of a subscriber 6 weeks in advance. Let me add that for you. How does that look?
Perfect.
Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, this was a great demonstration of your capabilities. Thank you for helping to quickly launch my MVNO for Mr. Beast followers. With you, building a BSS was simple and enjoyable.
You're welcome. I was created to provide a much better experience than working with other vendors like Huawei, Ericsson, Nokia.
Whoa. Thank you. That's enough, Totogi. Goodbye, Totogi.
Goodbye.
So yeah, we may need to tune her a bit more. She's taken on a little more of my personality than I'd like her to. That aside, how awesome was that? We just built a full BSS in 8 minutes. Thank you. We just built a BSS in 8 minutes by talking to a sweet avatar named Totogi. Let's recap really quick. I showed you how to converse with Totogi, how it can generate code, how you can change anything, how we can migrate data, integrate to external systems to create a full BSS application. And I didn't need an army of software developers to do it either. Just imagine what we could do with more time, how we could add more user journeys, more screens, and more features. It's breathtaking. As you leave today, think about the limitless possibilities you and your MVNO could build. But this isn't just for MVNOs, it's for everyone. We built this for IT teams who are tired of BSS change requests that take months to get done, and for the CFOs who are sick of paying outrageous prices for BSS software. The future of telecom is not in the hands of a few large players. It's in our hands, yours and mine. We're the creators now. To learn more about Totogi and BSS Magic, I invite you to visit our stand very quickly in Hall 2. Our email address and website are also great ways to learn more about BSS Magic. We're also super psyched to invite you to our iconic party. I guarantee it's going to be the best party in Barcelona tonight. Thank you so much for being a part of this movement. The era of BSS Magic is just beginning, and I can't wait to see where you will take it. Let's go change telco together. Hit it!